Imagine standing under the night sky, believing the stars above you are endless, until you realize every star you can see belongs to just one tiny galaxy called the Milky Way, while beyond it exist trillions of other galaxies scattered across the universe, like cosmic islands floating in an infinite ocean of darkness. Each galaxy contains billions of stars, planets, black holes, and mysteries humanity still cannot explain. And some galaxies are so massive that crossing them at the speed of light would take millions of years. Yet despite their unimaginable size, galaxies are constantly moving, colliding, and evolving through violent cosmic events that shape the universe itself. Spiral galaxies glow beautifully like giant whirlpools of stars. Elliptical galaxies stretch across space like ancient golden giants. And irregular galaxies are chaotic remnants of cosmic crashes, proving the universe is far from peaceful because even our neighboring Andromeda galaxy is racing toward us right now, and scientists believe that in around 4.5 billion years it will collide with the Milky Way in one of the biggest events our galaxy will ever experience, transforming the future night sky forever as billions of stars shift across space while gravity tears both galaxies apart and merges them into a new cosmic empire. But hidden inside nearly every large galaxy lies something even more terrifying. A supermassive black hole, capable of controlling the motion of entire star systems. And at the center of our own galaxy exists Sagittarius A*, an invisible monster with gravity so powerful that even light cannot escape from it. Yet somehow these black holes may actually help galaxies survive by regulating the birth of stars and shaping the structure of the cosmos itself. However, the greatest mystery of all is that everything humans can see, including stars, planets, galaxies, and even ourselves, makes up only a tiny fraction of reality because scientists believe most of the universe is made of invisible dark matter and dark energy, strange unknown forces that silently control the movement of galaxies across the cosmos, meaning humanity still understands almost nothing about the true nature of existence. And when you think about the fact that there may be trillions of galaxies each, containing billions of planets, the possibility of alien civilizations becomes almost impossible to ignore because somewhere out there another intelligent species could be staring into their own night sky asking the exact same questions we ask on Earth, wondering if they are alone in the universe. While the terrifying truth may be that space is simply too vast for civilizations to ever meet, galaxies are not just collections of stars but ancient cosmic cities carrying the history of the universe itself. And every time you look up into the darkness above you, remember that beyond the stars visible to your eyes lies an endless ocean filled with galaxies, beyond counting, mysteries beyond imagination.